Okay, in this problem we're asked to find a diffusivity of two gases that are mixing, and we have CCl2F2, which is a molecule that is listed in our table, and we have methane, which is not listed. And so we come up to the atomic list, and it's CH4. So I'm going to take this plus 4 of these H atoms. And so the volume for my CH4 is going to be 16.5 plus 4 times 1.98, or 24.42. And the formula for diffusivity is given here. So in this particular case, the answer will be 1 times 10 to the minus 7th. The temperature is 500 to the 1.75 power. Molecular weights were given. So the square root of that sum of reciprocals. My pressure is 2.5 atmospheres. And every number was given with the proper units for this formula. So I did not ask you to do any weird unit conversions. When you plug this in, you end up with 9.33 times 10 to the minus 6th. And it's important to know that with these units, and this formula is only valid for these units, the diffusivity is 9.33 times 10 to the minus 6th. And the units are meters squared per second.